What's going on, guys? So the market has been selling off for the last few weeks, so we're going to talk about that in this video, but we're also going to talk about why I'm very bullish on Tesla. Now, if you guys are familiar with this channel, I pretty much trade on technical analysis, but I also keep an ear out or keep an eye on, external factors that could influence the stock market. So we're also going to be talking about that. Now, if you guys do want to watch this video, make sure to hit that like button because it really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you do hit that like button, I'll show you a cute photo of a cat. So I'll give you like 5 seconds to hit that like button. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay. Now, in the last few weeks, we've seen the NASDAQ sell off heavily while also seeing the Dow Jones run up. Now, this is due to something called sector rotation, where money from one industry gets sold off and then gets poured into another industry. This is why we saw basically stocks like JetBlue make a run up, while we also saw stocks like Tesla sell off. So basically, we saw a lot of money getting sucked out of tech and then getting poured into recovery stocks. Now, why am I bullish on Tesla? So if we take a look into Tesla stock, we do see that it has sold off, as I mentioned earlier. However, notice how we are approaching this linear regression channel. Now, if you're unfamiliar with linear regression channels, I suggest you highly watch this video I made on linear regression channels. Now, notice how last time we touched the linear regression channel, we bounced up immediately. However, then we consolidated and slowly sold off, and now we're approaching this level again. Now, also, I want to take a look into the Dow Jones ETF. Now, notice how we had this resistance over here, we ended up selling off, and then we ended up touching this resistance again. Now, this could potentially be a sign that we are hitting the peak and we may sell off here in the recovery stock sector, and then the tech sector such as QQQ, where Tesla is involved in, may have a nice rebound. Notice how also we are approaching this area, or we were at this area of support, if we kind of just draw that out right over here. Now, I also want to talk about Kathy Woods, who is the fund manager for ARK Invest, and talk about her price prediction for Tesla. Now, of course, on this channel, I always preach that you don't want to trade based off anyone else's decision, but I just want to briefly speak on Kathy Woods. Now, Kathy Woods in the past has been correct on Tesla, and she has a new price prediction for Tesla. She believes that Tesla can hit $3,000 per share by 2025. Now, the reason she is very bullish on Tesla is because, one, Kathy Woods is very optimistic of what's going on in the tech sector. She believes that, right now, although we have a market cycle where we have a lot of money getting out of tech and going into recovery stocks like cruise lines and airlines, she believes that in the long term, tech is really going to be outperforming a lot of these traditional corporations and industries. Now, another thing I want to speak on is how optimistic she is about the taxi service that Tesla can offer. Now, it's been rumored in the past that once Tesla does get down their fully self-driving vehicles, they plan to, take on the taxi service industry and have Teslas actually, replace traditional taxis and also apps like Uber and Lyft. So that's another reason why she's very optimistic in Tesla. Again, I want to reiterate that you never want to trade based off anyone else's decision or opinion. So the whole purpose of this video was simply to just point out that the tech sector has been selling off, and we do see Tesla that has been selling off for quite a few weeks, approaching this area of support. So if we see that bounce, then it would be a good opportunity, because as traders, of course, we want to look for a deal, just like you want to look for a deal when you purchase a house or you purchase a car, or in reality any type of purchase you make, you want to look for a deal. So as traders, that's what we are doing. We are bargain hunters. So hopefully this video does help you out, provide a little bit of an insight of what's going on in the market, why the market is selling off. With that being said, again, make sure to hit that like button if you didn't already, because I already showed you that photo of a cat. So if you didn't hit that like button, then you're gonna have to hit that like button now. But anyways, guys, as I always say, make sure to check out the links in the description below, because one of the links is gonna be a link to my free Facebook group, and essentially it's a community that I'm building of individuals interested in trading in the stock market. And also consider checking out the other link. It's going to be a link for Webull, where if you sign up with that link, you'll receive 2 free stocks valued at $1,600. You never know what free stocks you're going to get. I once got a free stock of Google, which at the time was worth $1,200. I think Google now is worth somewhere around $2,000. I haven't even checked, but yeah, you never know. So let me know what stocks you guys do get if you do decide to sign up with Webull. Webull is a great platform. I know I always trade with TD Ameritrade, but I also have a swing trading account with Webull, so definitely check that out. And again, guys, my name is Justin from Push and Profit, and I'll see you on the next video.